Hello, birdies. HobbyBabyTV.
Oh, look, HobbyBear. There's the mommy bird. Come on, let's go see the babies.
There's the mommy bird. Yeah, she's got food. Okay, she's got food. She's got food in her mouth. We'll let her feed the birdies. Okay, this is Hobby Papa and Hobby Bear. We're gonna check out the birdies and see how they look. Let's move the stuff out of the way. Let's move the flowers. Move the plants out of the way. Let's see what we can see, Hobby Bear. Oh my goodness. Look at the little birdies. Wow. What do you think?
Hello, birdies.
What do you think of that, Hobby Bear?
Why not
Hobby Bear,
bigger?
what do you think? What do you think? Oh.
What is that?
Do you like the little birdies?
Yeah, what bigger like 40?
They got big really fast, didn't they? Let's take a look. Let's take a close look. Oh my goodness. Look at all the feathers. They have like, it's like fuzz, almost like kind of hair and then feathers. See the feathers growing in just one day? And see, they're all sleeping. 3 little birdies sleeping. Yeah, and they're waiting for their
Baby,
mommy and
that's
their
so
daddy to
cool
come
there.
bring some food.
So cool.
Yeah, let's see what they do. Okay, there's 3.
Hello.
You see 3. Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Got hear me.
What do you think of that? What should we name the birdies? We have 3 birdies. 3 birds. What should we name the birdie? What should we name the birdies? What's the first birdie's name?
What's the first name?
Well, you can name it. What name do you want? What name do you like?
Donate and Nordic and Cooked.
Okay. Kroot and Nordich. And what was the first one?
What is it?
Kroot and Nordich. And what should we name it?
I call him Courage.
Crunch. Okay, Crunch, Nordich, and Kroot. Crunch, Nordich, and Kroot, okay? All right, give me 5. Haha, good job, Hobby Bear. I'm proud of you. Wow, wow. Birdie, 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 birdie. Okay, ready? Night-night, birdies. Okay, night-night.
Oh, look at wings.
Grow bigger tomorrow. Get some wings. Okay. Put all the flowers. Night-night, birdies.
Check out HobbyBabyTV for more learning videos. Choose one of these videos right now.